Have you ever had to do a bit of work on your SPX Flow refrigerator for your thing, for your spray foam machine? Well, I just did. I had a compressor blowout and caused a whole bunch of grief, including this. So I pulled the whole thing out and now I've just put her back in. I'm just hooking back up the lines. So you have to make sure you've got the drain line in. Make sure that your cop is in there. And over on this side, you can see all the devastation. Make sure that you've got all that put back together before you drop it back into place.